Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Experian account, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To reset your Experian account, start by visiting the Experian website. Locate the login button in the upper right corner of the home page. Click on that button to access the login page. Look for the Forgot Password link underneath the login fields. Click on the Forgot Password link to begin the reset process. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your account. Type in your email address and click on the Continue button. Check your email inbox for a password reset email from Experian. If you don't see the email, check your spam or junk folder. Once you find the email, open it and look for the password reset link. Click on the link, which will redirect you to a secure password reset page. You may need to answer a security question for verification. Enter your new password in the designated fields. Make sure your new password meets the security requirements provided. Confirm your new password by entering it again in the next field. After entering your new password, click on the Submit button. You should receive a confirmation that your password has been successfully reset. Now, return to the login page. Enter your email address and your newly created password. Click the Login button to access your account. Congratulations, you have successfully reset your Experian account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.